Hey man,
Hey, man.
that's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
Oh, yeah, the mountains. They're incredible.
No, the flower.
Oh, but what about the crazy view? That's beauty.
No, yeah, that's great. But look, there's succulent forests and lichen painting pictures on every surface. It's life sprouting up from bare rock.
But this is like the backbone of the planet. You could see it from space. I can't even believe it all exists.
But all these little things exist too. When you look a little closer, you see that that little flower is just as amazing.
But isn't that kind of true about everything? Like, maybe everything's amazing if you look hard enough.